Hi, I'm Shelby Jo Long. I'm brand specialist and signature program development specialist. And I'm here to tell you about the Expertise Project and the opportunities in the Expertise Project. I'll give you an overview of the program, and then we can talk about some specifics that you will actually, some results that you'll get from the program to be able to begin that organic marketing phase of your own signature program so you can begin selling your product even before it's fully developed. So let's talk about the Expertise Project. The Expertise Project is an online program that helps you develop the blueprint for your own signature program that is a part of your business. So you can leverage your expertise, you can outline your content and your intellectual property, add some credibility to your business, so you can walk your clients through certain processes with digitizing some of those ideas. Having an online course or an online program or a live program is a really exciting way to add pieces to your business and to really differentiate yourself from others in the industry. There's 4 main phases that we walk through in the Expertise Project, in the online program and in the one-on-one program that you and I work together to develop your own signature program. And we start fundamentally with your identity, and we really get a clear idea of your brand and a clear idea of who you're speaking to and who you're serving with your signature program. That's the critical piece before we even walk into how we integrate all of your ideas and all of your plans with that. When we talk about your brand, we talk about 3 different areas. We really focus on your story. Your brand story is what's going to create the emotional connection with your clients to be able to bring them in to the customer journey that you're going to walk them through and to help them, your clients, transform in the way that you have. You are the leader. You are the person that's taking them through this process, and your story is key to that. That's called your brand personality. Then we talk about your brand clarity, which is basically who you're going to serve and who your program, your signature program, is the best match for. Once we have that clarity, then we have a focus to be able to build an umbrella around the program that you'll walk people through to help them experience that same journey that you have so they can transform a certain parts of their lives to gain more freedom, to gain more time, to be able to make their systems more efficient, to add credibility, to become an influencer. All of those things are tied into your brand. So we talk about your identity first and the external identity that you want to promote and be a part of your brand program. The next piece we talk about and we explore is your idea. And in this section or in this step is where we begin to transform your idea and your intellectual property, the ideas that you have developed for transformation for you and your clients. And that's where we finesse your idea and put it in a step-by-step program so you can help others walk through the same process or a similar process that you did to create results in their business, create results in their life, create results that people want to see on the other side of this program. So this idea happens in a few ways. First of all, we talk about that step-by-step process. And then we talk about the communication strategy and the implementation strategy that is best to be able to walk people through that. And that is where we get to the implementation phase of your program, is we identifying and strategizing what's the best way for you to communicate these ideas and best way for you to transmit these ideas to help people walk through this process with their own system. Whether you do it in a live program or you do it in a digital online course, or you have a funnel that helps walk people through the program, whatever that is, how can you best support your community and begin to create that community out of the program and out of the transformation that you're helping people do in their own businesses. The last step in creating your own signature program is talking about how we create a community or how we integrate all of these ideas into a community that is going through this transformation. A key piece of creating your own signature program is having people in the community connect with each other that are also going through the same transformation. There's a magic that happens within a small group with the people that are going through the same things. We all learn from each other, and ideas just build upon each other. We learn from what other people are doing. We also learn from advice from other people. There's this mastermind component in this community that just feeds on each other and becomes this really invigorating area for growth and transformation. That's why you're putting together your signature program, to be able to help people walk along the same journey that you have and to be able to develop their own transformation and walk the steps that you have walked on your own. You are now directing people through those steps to be able to create transformation in their own life, to be able to bring more results by getting more time, by having more efficiency, earning more profit, all of those results at the end of your vision. At the end of the Expertise Fuel project, and walking through this blueprint, you'll have a few things to be able to help promote your project and to also be able to implement your signature program. The first thing that you'll have after you finish the program is you have a template for a brand story video. This brand story video is your brand personality, the story that you have walked through, and what you can use to be able to promote your business and your product. That's the first thing you get. The second thing that you'll have at the end of the program is a signature one sheet to be able to explain exactly it is what you offer, point to results, and you also have that clarity within your brand to be able to sell your product when you finish the process of productizing your expertise. You'll have a one sheet. The other thing that you'll have is your program blueprint. What are the execution strategies? What's the timeline? What's the method of delivery? When you have that blueprint put together, then we work towards your launch date and finding a time when you can begin engaging people into that initial stage of being able to validate your product. So you have your brand story video, you have your one sheet, you have your program blueprint. You also have your integration strategy of how to begin gaining clients. We start with a lot of those marketing strategies. The amount of information and the focus of the information within the Expertise project provides you all of the tools that you need to begin the organic marketing of your program and to also bring you to the phase where you can start implementing your first group to go through that program, or your first person to go through that program. For $29.99, you have access to the online program and you have access to the mastermind sessions. And if you want to talk about working one-on-one with me, then let's schedule a call. Let's talk about some opportunities. Let's get you going and begin the process of monetizing your expertise so you can reach a larger audience and provide more value. I look forward to talking to you on the next call.